am Sanaliya, undergraduate student pursuing a bachelor's degree in electronics engineering at Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, Jamshoro, Pakistan. In this video, I will demonstrate IEEE college-based circuit tutorial challenges for the Arduino Proficiency certificate.
Challenge first. Tutorial first. Create a red, yellow, and green traffic light. Challenge 2. Tutorial 4. Make a program that incrementally turns on multiple LEDs as you turn up your potentiometer. Challenge 3. Tutorial 5. Make a program that reads the rotation of a potentiometer and uses it to control the brightness of our LED. Challenge 4. Tutorial 8. Make a stopwatch at a push button that resets the counter while on ever press. Challenge 5. Tutorial 9. Make a program your LCD to count up and then add a push button that resets the counter whenever pressed. Challenge 6. Tutorial 10. Make a synthesizer create a circuit that uses two potentiometers to control your buzzer the first, control the volume and the second pitch. Challenge 7. Tutorial 11. Create a program that waits for the correct password and then turns a servo to unlock the door. Challenge 8. Tutorial 12. Make a nightlight. Challenge 9. Tutorial 15. Create a program that converts the hexadecimal value to the corresponding button value. Challenge 10. Tutorial 16. Make a bionic arm using an acceleration sensor.